Beloved families, how are you? How are you doing? Today we will see together how we can accept three integer number from keyword and compare them. So we will see together. First, we need to declare three variable, and also we need to accept three variable from user. Then, by using control statement, we can compare these three numbers. So let we see together. We need to import. Okay, let we include our stream. Then using namespace std. Main. This is our main method. Here we can declare three number. So int name 1, name 2, then name 3. So we write some command for the user that ask user to enter three integer number. So cout, please enter first number. So here we will accept it number on new line. So cin name 1. Name 1. So here also we can accept another number. Simply you can copy and paste this one. So please enter second number. Can say third number equal to number 2 equal to number 3. So after we accept three number from keywords, now we apply if control statements. So how we can compare three number if name 1 greater than name 2 and also name 1 greater than name 3. So simply we can make this one in double quotes, double. You can add here, add here. So here, if name 1 is greater than name 2, and if name 1 again greater than name 3, so cout name 1 is large number, we can say indel. So here we need to put in this quotation, this process. So close here for the first. So here we need to use another else statement. So but else if, so we need to open again. Okay. Yeah, name 2 greater than name 1 and name 2 greater than name 3. So this will be body of else if. So cout name 2 is large number. So another, simply we can say only else. So why? Because there's no another option. Simply we can say else yacht name 3 is large number indeed. So this program will be accepting any three integer number from keyword and compare them. First, it compare this condition. If name 1 greater than name 2 and if name 1 also greater than name 3, name 1 is large number. Name 1 will be the value user enter from keyword is. But if this condition is not true, name 2 greater than name 1 and name 2 greater than name 3, so see out name 2 is large number. If not, there is no another option. Name 3 will be the large number. So in logical AND operator, it will be evaluated if both are true. To be this output, this condition should be true. That means name 1 should be greater than name 2. Also, this should be true. That means name 1 also greater than name 3. If name 1 greater than name 2 and the name 1 greater than name 3, so the large number is name 1. So if we come here again, this condition in logical AND, it will be evaluated only true if both are true. If name 2 is greater than name 1 and also name 2 is greater than name 3, so this will be our output. Let's see the result together. Also here we will see right and there that is telling the compile end of the program or source code is. Let's compile, check if there is error or notice. So endil, see out endil, the not double colon, semicolon here. I hope there is no error. Okay, the result will be here, warning and error. Yeah, error 0, warning 0. So let me see the output by running the source code is. Let I minimize this window. So interface number is this message, the first messages. So I will enter, let I enter 23. Please enter the second number. Let I insert 22. Insert the third number. Let I enter 33. So now here the condition will be executed. So if name 1 greater than name 2 and greater than name 3, name 1 is large number. If this one is not true, name 2 will be valued, else if will be valued. That means name 2 greater than name 1 and the name 3, then the name 2 will be output. Unless and otherwise, the output will be the name 3. That means the first condition will be if 20, the first condition is name 1. If name 1 is 23, so 23 is greater than 22. This valid false. And also 23 is greater than 33. This also valid false. In terms of logical and both should be evaluated true. So this is not true. Let we come to the else if statements. Name 2. Name 2 is 22. Is 22 is greater than name 1? No, this is valid false. In logical and both should be true. So we no need to evaluate the second is. So the output will be name 3. The value of name 3 equal to 32 is large number will be our the in the result. So C out 32 will be 33 will be in the result is. So we can take another number 5 6 and there I will say 2. So 6 is large number. Thank you all. If you have any question, comment, write the comment and I will come back with another example. Have a nice time. See you.